What if I tell you you can get flagship level performance, camera quality and compact design in one phone that's easy to hold with one hand? Meet Vivo X300. A smartphone that might just change the smartphone and stick around, because this might be the best compact flagship smartphone of 2025. Hi everyone, I am Ajay. Welcome to TechVardan. Today we are diving deep into Vivo's latest release, the X300. We'll explore battery, camera, performance and real life uses, and I'll tell you if it's worth buying, especially for content creators like us or everyday users. The Vivo X300 features a 6.31-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The screen delivers sharp visuals, deep blacks and excellent brightness for all environments. The device measures around 150.57 into 71.92 into 7.95 mm and weight about 190 grams, making it one of the most compact flagship design available. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset built on a 3nm process. This offers flagship level performance for gaming, multitasking and productivity. The X300 supports up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, ensuring fast speed and smooth operation. Origin OS 6 based on Android 16 provide a polished UI with enhanced optimization. The camera setup includes 200 megapixel main sensor with JR stunning and OIS, 15 megapixel ultra wide lens and 15 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. These combinations deliver detailed image, balanced color and impressive dynamic range. For the front, the phone features a 15 megapixel selfie camera capable of high quality stills and video. The device supports 4K video recording with strong stabilizations and image processing. The Vivo X300 includes a large 6040 mAh battery, reliable day-long uses even with demanding tasks. Charging features include 90W wired fast charging and 14W wireless charging.